This is where people would be crucified. Now, it wasn't just the degradation, the torture was unimaginable in crucifixion. 3 of the Gospels record that Jesus was, quote unquote, scourged before he was crucified. When they would scourge a man, what they would do is they would bend his body over a pike and they would whip him mercilessly with something that was called a cat o' nine tails. A cat o' nine tails was a long leather whip with long braided streams of leather, and embedded into the braids of leather, there would be pieces of broken pottery, broken glass, and bent nails from construction sites. And they would put them in the threads of the cat o' nine tails so that when they whipped a man, the broken shards would literally embed themselves into the flesh on the back of a man's rib cage, sink in, and then they would literally rake the flesh off the back of the rib cage of a man. Now, Jewish people had a restriction that someone could not be lashed until death, and so they called it 40 lashes minus 1. 39 was the most lashes somebody could receive. The Roman Empire had no such humane restriction. And so people who were crucified were first scourged, and they were beaten an unlimited number of times until they raked the entirety of the flesh off the back of a man's rib cage, so that all was left were the exposed bone, the exposed muscle, the exposed tendons.